Look no further than the 2021 Kia Sorento. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This versatile Sorento has what your family needs to get the most out of every journey. Available in all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, this mid-size 3-row crossover has earned its reputation for prioritizing safety, passenger comfort, cargo capacity, and connectivity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, third-row seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Get the best blend of comfort and capability in this passenger-focused Sorento. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.